How to add your home address in Google Maps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to save your home location so you can get directions to it anytime. First, open the Google Maps app on your Android device. After that, tap on Save option on your screen. From there, tap on Set Home option available. At this point, type in your home address in the bar Available, or you can choose from Map to. In the next step, let me show you. Go ahead and drag the pin to set the address. Following this, tap on Save to confirm and store your home address in Google Maps. Once done, your home address will now be saved, and you can access it anytime by tapping on the search bar and selecting Home from your saved places. From here, if you want to get directions to your home address, simply tap on the search bar, select Home, and tap on Directions. Google Maps will calculate the best route from your current location right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you add your home address in Google Maps, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.